Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve Business Standard Newspaper Sudoku Basel on February 16, 2022 Hard Sudoku. Second row and fourth row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column J we have 4 numbers 7, 8, 2, 6. These 4 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 4 cells. We will confirm later. Only 3 numbers are remaining 3, 5, 9. 8th row and 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row we have 2 and 6. 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade only 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 7. Column H we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H 6th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. 5th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. Second row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column E we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade column B we have pair numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. 5th grade also we have 2 and 7. It can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column D we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Eighth row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column C also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B and column D we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 4th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, Column F we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, 5th row we have pair numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in any one of the cells. Column C we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column C we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 9, 2. Column E we have 7 and 9. 7, 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in any one of the cells, we confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. We will confirm later 7 and 9. Column E, column F we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells. Third row and 4th row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row and 4th row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 4th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. Column F we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 7th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 5th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Seventh row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 2nd row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 2nd row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column F we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Fourth row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Third row only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column D we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Fourth row 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column C we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Fifth row 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. Column B and column D we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column D we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then only one numbers are remaining, 9 is confirmed here.